guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be using some Dollar Tree items to make a DIY. When I saw these, my mind went instantly 50,000 ways that you could work with this. So let me show you what you need in case you want to make this fall DIY. Dollar Tree has the cutest little fall pumpkin boxes I believe I have ever seen. I mean, they say gather together. This one does. They have different sizes too. They even have smaller ones than what I got. And then you'll see this is so pretty, and it's in a pumpkin shape, and it says autumn. When you open it, it says harvest, and then this one has pumpkins. Okay, then here's the next size. I got a large, medium, and small, but not the smallest one they have. Then this one just says fall harvest, and it has the leaves all around. I think it is adorable. And when you open it up, it just says fall harvest, and it has leaves in it. I cannot believe it. Dollar Tree is killing it, okay? Then this one is so adorable with the pumpkin and the gourds and the corn and the little sunflower. And then that's what it looks like on the side. Then you open this and it says thankful. Of course, mine's a little scratched inside, but I'm not going to use the inside. So check yours really good. Thankful, and then a pumpkin, okay? So you'll need some of these boxes. I picked up 3, okay? And then I'm probably, I don't know, we'll use some of this Dollar Tree garland that's just leaves, okay? Either that color, or I might use this color. I think it's so pretty. So I don't know what I'll use exactly. Then I had my husband, because I want to make like I'm in a pumpkin stand, like you're just out cutting pumpkins. I'm into this, cutting pumpkins. So we just had some scrap wood just around the house. Now, you could get Dollar Tree rulers and glue them together. It might be a little hard. Or you could just get some scrap wood, and he cut the length that I wanted, and then he had some more scrap wood, and he just took a drill bit and drilled 3 holes, and then literally just took a pocket knife and kind of whittled it out so this would fit in there, and just took a hammer and beat it down in there. So I've got a tall one, and next to this size, and this size, okay? So you'll need something like that, whatever you want to do. And then I have my Waverly chalk paint in Hazelnut. I love this. I think it's going to give such a warm color. I may use some jute twine, I'm not sure, and a foam brush and a glue gun. So let me go ahead and get everything ready, and we will start making this adorable fall DIY. Okay, I just have a plastic tablecloth that I got from the Dollar Tree quite a while ago down. And I'm just going to paint these, and I'm not going to have you watch me paint them all, because I know you know what I'm doing. I've done this so many times. Okay, we're just going to come straight down through here, and I wanted mine to look really old, so it doesn't bother me that this is very rough wood. I like the imperfections in it, and I wanted to see the imperfections. So I know you know what I'm doing, and you could use any color that you wanted. So let me also give you an update on my eyes real quick while I paint a little bit of this. They're getting better. I'm still having problems if I get near dust. I get so many broken blood veins in my eyes that and they hurt really bad, and it's hard to keep them open when that happens. And I'm wearing my contacts, not a lot, just every once in a while. So I thought today I would try contacts and makeup. And my husband is still reading me your comments, and then I'm telling him what to put down. And you all are so sweet about all your lovely comments about the home like my fireplace and my hutch and the cricket and the planters. You all are just so sweet, and about your prayers for my eyes. I truly appreciate it so much. But I am reading it, and I love to hear from you all. It makes me feel like I'm close to you when I hear from you. So I do love to hear from you all. So I know you know what I'm doing, so I'm going to go ahead and come back when I get all 3 of these painted. I'll be right back. Okay, I have my wood painted, and I wasn't really particular. I just went ahead and painted it. But I did want them to be fairly well covered, but not perfect, okay? So I went ahead and painted all those. Now let me just tell you, there's several ways you can use these boxes. You could just set them like this in your house for decor. They would be so beautiful just to stack. Or you could fill them with like a treat for your child's teacher or a friend or in church or whatever, and then put a really pretty fall ribbon around it, or just twine. It would be gorgeous. Or like I said, you could stack them and put a pretty bow around them. I think that would be pretty. You could take burlap and put them on burlap and let them come down. I mean, the possibilities are endless. But this is what I want to do with mine. I mean, my mind just started going crazy, okay? So what I want to do is the tallest stick, I want to go ahead and hot glue this box on here, and I want to leave some sticking up at the top. I think that will be so cute, okay? So I'm just going to get my glue gun, and everyone knows I use the Gorilla Glue because I love it, but you have to put it where it's contacting that. And on mine, the top part is what's actually coming in contact. Okay, see how it will hold? Okay. But you have to get it to where it's actually touching the stick. I think that's really cute. Okay, so now I'm going to take the smaller one, do the same principle. Let me see what's... Now my sticks are a little warped, so that's why I'm having problems. Well, not really problems. You just have to find what's actually going to come in contact. But I think these are adorable. I love this. If you would see this out, oh my gosh, you would pay so much money for this. I love it. I tell you, Dollar Tree, you are killing it. All right. And this is so inexpensive. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that is what we're getting so far. Are those not absolutely adorable? But I don't think we're finished. Like I said, you could take, I may take some of this, and I was thinking maybe just let it, but I think I actually like it with this glued there, and then just bring this, I have so many here, hooked. Just bring this around like that. Yep, that's what I want to do. Okay, so I'm going to take this, put some glue right about here, take this, push this in here and hold it with my little stick, and then I'm just going to wrap it like it was a vine, just naturally. I think I want to take it this way. Naturally growing So cute. Okay. I mean, the possibilities are endless. Let me push this down so you can see really well. Okay. And like I said, you could use any color of this that you wanted. I like this. I think it's so pretty. And I think I cut. No, I'm going to go ahead and glue this right here on the side. And just hold it a little bit and it will definitely hold. That is so adorable. Oh my gosh. Okay, and this is what we have so far. And you could put a leaf on the top if you wanted. I don't know yet if that's what I'm going to do. I might put something up there. Now we're going to go to our middle one. And I have 2 of these garlands. Okay, and I may put that around there just like that. Because I want it to look like, okay, so I'm going to glue, let me move this over here. Okay, I'm going to glue this one right here on the back. Just like that, okay? Then we're going to wrap this around. Oh, I love fall. Oh, so pretty. We want to have as much. I think I will cut this one off right about here and just glue this one right here. Okay, and here is this one. They look to me just like they're out in nature and somebody has got pumpkins growing with vines everywhere and telling you that you can buy your pumpkins. Okay, now let's go to this one. I've used 1 whole one so far. Just play with it till you get it like you like it, okay? And then here's this one. I think I'll glue this one. That's what I want, little red ones at the top, because this one is a little smaller and I don't want to overwhelm it. So I think yes. Okay, I'm going to cut this one right about here. Hope you can see. And I'm just going to put some glue right there and nestle that right down in there. And it doesn't bother me that this little stem is coming out because to me it just looks like it could be a stem, okay? And then I'm just going to take this one, because remember this one is smaller and it's not going to need as much embellishing. Probably cut this one about right here so I can see I've got so much here. Okay, I might pull this one around this way. Yeah, I like that. I'm just going to wrap it. Just wrap it in whatever direction you feel like is right for your little project. And then just push it down in that glue. I got a little bit too much glue there, but you won't do that when you do yours. And here is this one. I tell you, they are so cute. Now let's look at this. I think I need to put something up here. Oh, that'll do it. Just going to take this right here and put it right down through here in the back. And then I'll cut it off. Okay, let me clean this up and we'll take a look at this. Okay, here they are. They're so adorable. Let's take a look at the bigger one first. Here this is. You would never know that this was a Dollar Tree DIY and scrap wood. I love it. It is so pretty. This might be one of my favorite ones I've done so far this year. I'm not sure. Look at this. And they really don't even look bad from the back, although you're not going to see mine from the back. If you were worried about it, you could get another box and just match it up in the back. They're very sturdy. Look at this. Can you imagine? You could even give this to a teacher or have it in a Sunday school, or you could just your home decor. Oh my gosh, like I said, the possibilities are endless. But I love how these turned out. They are so pretty. Let me scoot this over so you can see them. But they just look like they belong in this little world of pumpkins. I love them. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.